Hello guys, welcome once again. In our previous episode of things you can get from cocoa, I shared with you how to make refreshing cocoa juice. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make pure organic cocoa butter. I'll start by cutting the cocoa pod into two and remove the seed from it. In case you did not watch the previous episode on how to make cocoa juice, please check the video card above. After removing all the cocoa seed from its pod, I'll go ahead and ferment the cocoa seed. Here I have my cooler. I'll be placing a basket on it. Then align with some plantain leaf before adding my cocoa seed to it. Actually, cocoa butter does not require fermentation, but since we are making other products from the cocoa seed, it is necessary to ferment your cocoa seed before proceeding. After arranging it with plantain leaf properly, I'll just pour in the cocoa seed. Then wrap up the cocoa seed with the plantain leaf. The next thing I'll do is to place an heavy object on it. I'll then cover it and allow to rest for between 3 to 5 days for proper fermentation. Please do not throw away the pod, as this is vital to one of our upcoming episodes about things you can get from cocoa. I'll be dropping the episode one after the other. This is like after 4 days. I'll bring back my cocoa and check on it. So I'll remove the plantain leaf from the cocoa, then spread them out in a tray. The reason why cocoa seed is fermented, first is to reduce the bitterness in the cocoa seed and also to enhance the chocolate flavor in the cocoa powder. So I'll spread the cocoa seed out in a tray, then take them to sunlight to dry. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. After removing all the cocoa seed from the cooler, I'll spread them out properly on the tray so that they can dry easily. Once our cocoa becomes very dried, I'll be transferring them into a cooking pot, then take to the heat and begin to toast them. I'll be toasting it on a very low heat so that they don't get burnt easily. As I toast the cocoa seed, I will stir it continuously so that all the seed can be well toasted. One way to know if the cocoa seed is well toasted is that the cocoa seed will start popping. And I'll also be checking it with my hands. Once I squeeze and the skin start peeling off, which means the cocoa seed is ready. Turn off the heat and allow to cool down completely. Once it's completely cool, peel the skin of the cocoa seed from it. You can see that peeling of the cocoa seed to get the cocoa beans from it is so easy because the cocoa seed is well toasted. After peeling off all the skin of the seed, here we have the peels and also the cocoa beans. The next thing I'll do is to transfer the cocoa beans into a blender and blend smoothly. After blending the cocoa beans for some time, I'll be checking on it. You can see it has started caking underneath. So I'll still go ahead and blend once again. And after blending for some time again, you can see how it looks like. It has started producing its oil. So I'll go ahead and bring down the one sticking to the blender, cover and blend until it becomes very smooth and oily. And now we have our cocoa beans, very smooth and oily. Now that our cocoa beans came out very smooth and oily, it is time for us to begin to prepare our cocoa butter. I'll transfer the cocoa paste to a boiling water and allow to cook for some time. Make sure to mix it properly so that there will be no lumps in it. Combine well with the boiling water and allow to cook for some time. You can see the oil has started flowing on top. You can see the cocoa butter flowing on top of the cocoa paste. Also give it a stir so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. As you can see, the cocoa has produced its oil, so I'll go ahead, scoop gently with a spoon into a bowl. To get more cocoa butter out of the cocoa paste, I'll transfer into a kitchen strainer. Take to the sunlight so that it doesn't congeal easily. Allow to rest for some time to get more oil out of it. As you can see, the oil is dripping from the strainer. So I'm going to leave it like this for some time until I get all the oil out from it. And here we have our cocoa butter ready. So I'll go ahead, filter and transfer into a clean container. This is pure organic cocoa butter that can be used for that glowing skin. If you find this video very helpful, kindly click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. After filtering it, here we have a pure organic cocoa butter. To solidify it, you can leave in a room temperature of about 20 to 23 degrees Celsius or keep in a refrigerator for quick solidification. In our next episode on things you can get from cocoa, we are going to start from where we stop. Watch out as I share with you what you can do with the cocoa paste. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.